Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought another session on desktop GUI automation using pywinauto. So here I am creating a video based on the request of one of my viewer who is requesting me to create a script for automating a window that is called Putty. So in this script I will be showing two parts. One is just open this window Putty configuration and then enter the host name and then the port number and then open. Another will be like I will be just changing this radio buttons. I will be clicking on any of these radio buttons and then just type open and then just enter. So that is what I am going to do. Okay. So first of all, for doing this, we need to import a couple of modules. That is time. This is nothing but we will be delaying for some time after the starting the application. Normally it takes some seconds to start. So we will be waiting for 5 seconds. Then we will be importing a module called pywinauto, and then from pywinauto.application we will be importing a class called application. So we will be first line is like this is nothing but to start the application. So app equal to application.start command line, the target part of that exe. So in my case, if you see here is my install, and if I see the target part where it is located is program files 86 putty.exe. So this is the path I will be choosing for starting my application. Then I will be delaying for 5 seconds and then I will be just connecting to that particular window. So once the application started, I need to connect my script to this particular window, that is Putty configuration. So I can connect using two ways, that is one is using the title and the other is like using the process ID. In our case we are using this Putty configuration, this is the title. Then for next is like I will be next is I will be just making it short, like window is equal to defining a variable called window is equal to app dot putty config box. This is nothing but the class name of this particular window. Okay, this is the class name of this particular window. If you see clicked here, this is the inspect window to inspect the elements of any objects, elements of any window. So if you just click here, you can see the class type is putty config box. Then I will be just setting the window for focus, that is window is equal to set underscore focus. Next part is like I need to write the IP address and the port number. So if you see here, if I bring my mouse pointer over here, then either you can access it using the keyboard and then type the IP, or else I will be just using its name. So control type is nothing but the edit and the name is host name or IP address. So what we have done is like window u host name or IP address colon edit, then dot type keys, and then I have entered the IP address. Similarly for port number, what I did is like I just went here, I just got window u port colon edit type keys 21, what's the anything you can choose over there, and this then next is like window open. If I click here, window open, or else you can just simply put alt O, that is alt is nothing but with the keyboard functionality is send underscore keys. Alt is nothing but the percentile plus O, just under the curly braces, so you just put O. Okay, so let me run this first part of the script. So if you see the application got started, and if you see it's running. So let me run the script once again. Application got started. If you see the host name will be typed over here, see. Okay. So next what we are going to do is like I will be choosing any of these radio buttons. So in my case I have choose, I think I will just put comment it out. Okay. Maybe in my case I will put some time.slip so that you can see the thing that is happening. else it is clicking, else it is clicking very fast and you guys can't see what is happening behind. So I will just put time to sleep 3 seconds. Sorry, 3 seconds, and then I will just put window open. Okay. So here what I did is like this. Similarly, what I have taken from there, and then window.telnet radio button. So what I did is putty. If I go to open the inspect window, and if I bring my cursor to this telnet part, if you see here, the localhost control type is radio button, and the name is telnet. You can either access using Alt plus T. So in this case, what I did is like window telnet colon radio button. What class's name is radio button? So radio button dot click. And after that, again I will be putting the host name. Once I click this, I will need to have the host name. Port is already by defined, and then I will click open. Okay, so it's very simple. So if I see, Putty configuration window started, and we'll wait for some second. If you say telnet got clicked, and then it will need to print the IP address and then open. 3 seconds and then open. Here you go. So hope you have understood this thing, and if you need any help, you can always get back to me. So that's all from my end for today, and we'll see shortly with the Vinium driver. So if you have liked my video, please press like button, and for more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.